going today, guys? Try some water here, and it's another Saturday morning. I'm about to head into work. But the rest of the day goes, I have a truck review today, and other stuff like that. So we'll see where this day takes us. I'm not sure what I'm exactly going to do yet, but I'm going to bring you all along for the ride, of course. All right, guys, I just got done with work. I'm heading over to do a truck review right now, and the sky is still pretty cloudy, but it should be good weather for this kind of review, the way the paint job is on this color on this truck. So right now we're gonna head over and do that. I wonder what this thing behind me is. It's a van with a Forces sticker. Alright, guys, I just got done doing that truck slash van review. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure you click the tag popping up right now. Thank you so much, man, for coming out. I know it was kind of a far drive for you, but that was an awesome review, guys. It's something different. I mean, it was so cool because it's so freaking different. And that's what I love about it so much, is the difference of it. But anyways, right now I'm about to head over to Hunter's, and it's going to be a good time. As you can see, Hunter is being a nice gentleman to his mother and cleaning out her Jeep. This is disgusting. Disgrace to the family. I did not say that, Mrs. Oakland, or Mrs. Watkins. Oh! I'm getting my ass kicked now. Oh! Guys, just a little, I just want to talk about this real quick. You all are awesome. Let's just say that, I'm gonna say that straight out. Like, the fans of Trucks and Water, man, I was at, the local, my pop's car wash, a spray off one I always go to, like you always see me. And I had two people come up to me, one that knew me and watched all my videos, so huge shout out to you, man. I really appreciate all the support. Another guy that saw my truck and saw I had a camera and YouTube and came up and started just talking to me. I love meeting you all. You all are freaking awesome. I love meeting you all. I love the whole, camaraderie and, talking about the truck. Guys, I will help you out with anything you need help out with, of course, with my sponsorships and everything. If you want products and merchandise, you all are fantastic, and I can't thank you all so much for the support and stuff. I mean, it means the world to me how much you all support me. All right, guys, today is Sunday. I'm heading to Cars and Coffee right now. I'm waiting in line. I was supposed to get up early and kind of convoy down there, but it just wasn't happening this morning. I was just so freaking tired from work this week and getting up early on Saturday to go to work, so slept in a little bit, but we should be arriving here very shortly. If we can get through this traffic, because traffic sucks. But I'll bring you all along, and we're gonna walk around and look at some cars and trucks and see how it goes. So we're at Cars and Coffee right now. I'm gonna be walking around looking at some trucks. I've got my truck, a Duramax, another lifted Duramax, and you all might, if you are originally from the channel, you all might remember this truck right here. Yeah, that's the 79,000 mile Dodge that my buddy bought and sold it. It's got probably about 95,000 on it, I think he said right now, and done a little bit of stuff to it, but All right, guys, that's a wrap on Cars and Coffee. Thank you all so much for coming out and saying hi to me and stuff. I know I didn't promote it that much. Like I said, I'm trying to be a little bit more incognito around the local events and stuff. I just don't want to deal with the bull crap. But anyways, right now I'm gonna head over to Home Depot. I gotta look for some supplies for the front bumper, and then I'm gonna go. We got a photo shoot today, so I'm really looking forward to the photo shoot. That's gonna be really fun, like really freaking fun, with the photographer from Knoxville. Well, time to go to Home Depot. I spy a Titan. Very clean Titan. All right, guys, so we're about to do this photo shoot. I got the truck all dolled up, as you can see right here. Get tire shine on it. Spray it down with some spray detailer, so she's ready to go. Oh yeah, I'm waiting for it. So I show up at the dam to do a photo shoot, and then two fourth gens show up. I can't make this crap up. I really can't. All right, guys, I got Kaylee Photography's here. She's doing a photography shoot on my truck, the old girl, before we completely blow apart her front end and get a whole new front end on there for the winter. We're at Norris Dam right now. Y'all know the location. I've been here like, I don't know, countless how many times. So when this video comes out, I'll have a slideshow either in the middle of this video or at the end of the video of the pictures she's taken. Make sure you go follow her on Instagram, guys. She does amazing nature photography and a bunch of other stuff. She also does a lot of contests through Knoxville News Sentinel and all that stuff. So if she has a contest come up, please go vote for her pictures and get her to the #1 spot, guys. I know you all can do it. I know the Trucks and Water family can do it, so much appreciated, guys. They grow up so fast.
Oh my gosh.
Definitely not tearing up at all. Thank you so much, Kayla, for the photography. Y'all did she did a freaking-tastic job, guys. A huge shout out to you. Thank you so much. It was an awesome hanging out with you and doing photography. Hopefully we can do some more stuff in the future. But make sure you hit her up, guys, in Knoxville area. She does great photography. So anyways, right now I'm driving down this gorgeous road past Norris Dam. I'm below Norris Dam, about to go fuel up the truck for this week coming up. It's been a great weekend. Got to hang out with some family, friends, truck event. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better weekend. As you can see, the Ashley's at her common watering hole getting some drink because she is thirsty. Oh, guys, they got one of my trucks I've always wanted at Fox Toyota. Oh, snap. We're gonna have to go look at this thing. Guys, God bless if I had literally like 60K laying around. Oh my gosh, this thing is just gorgeous. Oh my god, I'm just Here it is, boys. GMC Denali Sierra in the it's the 14 or newer. I don't know exactly what year it is. I'll find out right now. 2016 turbo diesel with only 25,000 miles on it. $57,000 too. Oh my god, though. Okay, guys, imagine this: leveled or lifted about 3 to 4 inches, 24x14s, towing her. I mean, come on now. Wouldn't that be like freaking badass? Like this thing. Oh, I mean, don't get me wrong. The Chevy version too looks freaking awesome too. Let's see here. but it doesn't have the center console that this one does. Oh my god, this thing is gorgeous. I freaking want it. Is it open? No, it's not. Oh, I want this truck. It's got the bed liner. It doesn't even look like it's been used. Got the bed liner in it. Oh my gosh, that thing is freaking gorgeous. Tailpipe's kind of dented up, but oh well. It's like it's seen some mud, but damn, I like that. They got some nice ones. You got the older school version of the GMC, like the early, like 2014, right before they went to the new body style like that. I mean, that's a nice truck, don't get me wrong, but I just love that body style so much more than this. They got two of them actually. Wow, guy must got a trade-in. Center console, yeah, 2014. For an extra 10 grand, you can get the almost new one. I'd rather get that. There's Babe. Look how cute she looks. Okay, yeah, nice Ram, nice F-150. Okay, here's an FX4 package. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that looks freaking nice. 2018 with a 5.0 in it. Call for price. Only has 12,000 miles on it. See, that's what I don't understand though. Some of these people trade in their vehicles at only like 12, 20, 30,000 miles. I mean, like if I buy a truck, I want to make sure I keep it for at least like 3 to 5 years. I mean, I don't know. That's just weird to me. Unless I find a good deal on something else. 48,000 miles. It's a 5.3 though. But it's got the center console. But I'd honestly rather have the 6.2 version of these, just because I've driven one and they're freaking fly. Like they fly like crazy. But yeah, definitely that GMC down there is my favorite. God bless, that thing is just freaking gorgeous. Ceramic coat it, buff it. Oh my god, this thing would be like it's an absolute freaking monster. Drooling, definitely drooling, but I also drool over that too, so you know.